Alright, Hiro, what do we got here? Choosing a nice piece of steak with the bone in it.
Nice piece, but everything's the same size.
Oh, look at this. $16, $15.39 a pound. 2.8 pounds, almost 3 pounds. That is pretty big.
Everything's the same size.
Yeah. Hiro-san!
Hi, good afternoon everyone.
Good afternoon to you. Wow,
Yes.
what a place we're at right now.
Yeah, check this place. Beautiful waterfront. My dream house is there. That's how you can see the white house.
I think you can dream a little bit bigger, Hiro. But these houses are very nice.
Yeah, it's too expensive.
Yeah, we're in Miami Beach now. I've been here living for about 10 years.
10 years, huh? Yeah.
Yeah, we just fixed the seawall. You guys, if you want more interesting information on how to redo the seawall in 2 months, go check out the link down below. But it took about 2 months to do.
Yeah.
And I've been waiting for this day, Hiro, that we can film back here. Somewhere really, really nice. You guys saw earlier, we went to Jack Daniel's. We met the master distiller, Chris Fletcher. It was an honor to meet him. His grandfather actually worked there before him. And so as a young child, he used to go there in and out. But then, he went to school for chemistry and finally got a job. And there's only one master distiller in all of Jack Daniel's organization.
Yes.
So what an honor for us to spend time with him. After our trip in Tennessee, Hiro, we picked up a bunch of stuff.
Yes.
Tell us about what we have, Hiro.
We have some wood chips.
These are basic grilling pellets to give
chip,
flavor.
right?
Yeah. And some of this is made from look at this, made from 100% Jack Daniel's oak aging barrels. So you guys, if you want to watch the full video of that trip, that link is also down below.
Yeah. And of course, Jack Daniel here.
Right.
Then also, you know what it is? It's you can see the coffee.
Yeah, coffee.
Yeah, this one. I'm gonna after that.
You gonna make some coffee here?
Yeah, so beautiful smell.
And the funny thing is, this video is not sponsored by Jack Daniel's.
Yeah.
We were just fortunate enough to get a VIP tour, and we can't wait to make something delicious. All right, Hiro-san, tell us what we're doing and then what the process is.
Yes, first step, I'm gonna make sauce with Jack Daniel whiskey.
Okay.
Yes, I wanna additional a little bit of mirin and soy sauce and brown sugar, and also I have a honey here.
Okay.
But today's I'm going to use this honeycomb.
What's the measurement here? What's the ratio?
This is 250, so I'm going to use the 500 milliliter for go first. Okay. So I can go with 750. This is 750.
Okay.
Just a little bit.
Yeah. I might as well drink it, right?
I'm gonna go with the about 300.
300, okay. So 750, 300.
Yeah.
We are back. Sauce is ready to go.
Yes.
All right, let's show everyone what we have here.
We have a bone ribeye steak here.
Okay.
Yes.
Nice and thick. What else do we have?
And then of course this is I made the teriyaki sauce.
Okay.
This is a little more. This is more thick. And and this is more like after 10 minutes, 15 minutes after, I just pick up a little bit. This is for the brushing for the beef, and this is more like the finalized one.
Okay.
Yes, and I'm gonna use a little bit of butter.
Yep.
And salt and pepper here.
Okay.
And then of course, main thing is here, the grill.
Now this is as cheap as you can get. A cheap grill from Amazon, like $25. Well, we're gonna be traveling with this. Okay. And these are binchutan. These are called tumbleweed, basically to help start fires. But the tool we're going to use, because we tried so many times to light this thing, even with Guga, it was really, really hard. We have the sous vide gun.
Yes.
You guys can find information down below. Get a nice discount on it if you use our link. Here's on, light her up. Let's see the flame. Give it some. Turn it up all the way. Let's see. All right, here. Here, do a maximum. Let's get more flames in there. Wow, let me tell you something. That is nice. You guys ever want to cook with this thing, which we're going to be doing more videos with, you'd have to try it. But the best part is lighting up coals, especially binchutan coals. Okay, Hiro-san, let's try this, huh? The actual Jack Daniel's oak aging barrels. See if we can smoke up these ribeyes with this delicious Jack Daniel's teriyaki sauce.
It's good, huh?
I can smell it already. Wow. Let me tell you, that's nice, and now it's going to catch a little fire. All right, Hiro, put it on, huh?
Yep. Tikka side.
Yeah. Time to cut up what we have here, Hiro.
This one has a bone here, right?
Yeah. I'm going to tell you, can't wait to try this Jack Daniel's, like a Jack Daniel's teriyaki sauce, smoked with Jack Daniel's wood chips from their barrel, aging barrels. Oh, the cap. That's my favorite part.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, take a look at that. Let's take a look here. Oh, that's like perfect.
You want to show us?
Yeah, that's right.
Look at that.
Is that perfect rare or what? Take a look at this.
Yeah, this is inside that.
You guys can see that. It's already like...
It's cooked already.
All right, let's do the tasting part because obviously the sun's going down. Look at a beautiful sunset.
Yeah.
Been waiting so long to make this perfect video, Hiro. Today's the day. Let's go. Try it.
Okay. I go with the finger, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Enjoy. That sauce is good. Ginger and garlic and Jack Daniels and mirin, brown sugar and honey. I'm gonna try too. Take a look at this. Unbelievable, huh?
It's not cold at all, right? No. This is the way.
The sauce is perfect. A little bit sweet.
Yeah, just maybe a little bit more salt.
And obviously because it's a Jack Daniels whiskey in there. Flavor is very, very unique. You won't find that in most teriyaki sauces. Well, Hiro-san, thank you so much. It was a wonderful video. It was taking a long time to make. Thank you so much to the people over at Jack Daniels, to the master distiller. Thank you so much, Chris. We hope we made you proud and hope to see you soon. In the meantime, Hiro, we'll see you soon. Thank you so much.
Okay, after a good meal, I need to drink coffee.
That is so cool.
Yeah.
Jack Daniels coffee. I wonder
coffee
is made with liquor or not. We gotta find out later on, huh? We picked up their grocery store, not their grocery store, their like a souvenir mart. The only place in their dry county in Lynchburg that you can actually buy liquor. I know you're a big coffee lover, right, Hiro?
Yeah, I like coffee.
It's gonna be pretty strong, huh?
Yeah, I like the kind of espresso.
Coffee's ready.
Yep.
Nice.
Yes.
Cheers, Hiro.
Yeah.
To a great meal. Amazing. Thank you so much.
You have to try this one.
Try the coffee,
It's
right?
very unique taste.
Hopefully you guys can find it online.
So good. Thank you for watching.
Thank you. You look like James Bond, Hiro.
Yeah.
Pretty much dark right now. You guys can see the sun's going down. And what's the hair? This is the best time for these coals and of course the wood from there. authentic Jack Daniels whiskey barrels. This sauce Hiro made, you guys gotta take notes on that video. Amazing.